At BMW Group Malaysia, our vision is simple: to make the world a better place through actionable, long-term initiatives centered around circularity and our key principles of sustainability and responsibility.
In every aspect of our business, we make it our goal to innovate and find new ways to be sustainable and responsible, pursuing a verifiable and consistent path towards climate neutrality by 2050. In doing so, we drive forward the group's global ambition, where we don't just do sustainability at BMW, we are making BMW sustainable.
Our journey began with an organization-wide initiative of recycling plastic materials, repurposing them into furniture to be given back to society, the first of our initiatives under our Regenerate program. Now we're looking further into our own business production to see how we can impact change further, keeping close to the core of our business here, delivering sheer driving pleasure to our customers responsibly. The mission here is to achieve circularity at all our BMW dealerships, not just through reducing waste, but turning them into new, valuable resources that can power our future. Cars are complex machines that need to be maintained and can be a source of wastage in many forms: lubricants, oils, oil filters, and dead batteries. Without intervention, the final destination for these automotive waste materials would be landfills and incinerators. Identifying this as a pressing issue that we can do something about, we went on to identify a partner who is able to take this mission of ours to heart and to have it as the core of their business operations.
We began by looking within our immediate ecosystem, and that is how Pentas Floras came into the picture. As a customer of BMW Group Financial Services Malaysia, we've been supporting them over the last decade in their ambition in circularity. Pentas Flora gives automotive waste a second life, which aligns fully with our own goals.
One of Malaysia's largest incumbent re-refined fuel oil providers, Pentas Flora, specializes in managing scheduled waste for many service centers, including our dealership network. They defined sustainable waste management as using resources that have been salvaged, treated, and subsequently repurposed for use again in the circular economy. And they have been playing a pivotal role in providing sustainable solutions across different industries.
Hazardous waste is highly dangerous. It is difficult to dispose without specific technologies and the required facilities. Improper disposal can lead to contamination of the environment and ultimately can go into the food chain and affect human health thereafter. We are Pentas Flora, Malaysia's premier solutions provider for hazardous waste management. Our other services include petroleum re-refining, maritime services, lab services, and lubricant packaging and blending.
What began as a business relationship between Pentas Flora and BMW Group Financial Services has now bloomed into a meaningful partnership that singularly strives for a more sustainable and responsible future. Through this partnership, we brought 4 dealerships on board in 2022, with a goal to achieve 100% participation from our authorized BMW dealers nationwide, which is where the process begins.
All waste oil collected by Pentas Flora goes through stringent treatment and recovery processes to ensure all our product meets quality standards and customers' needs while conforming to all regulatory requirements. All Pentas Flora's re-refined oil user should have a peace of mind that you are contributing towards better circular economy and a more sustainable environment.
I feel like a lot of the magic happens at Pentas Flora Lab because this is where we test everything that you could possibly imagine. So everything that we receive as incoming raw materials, including our in-process products and our finished good, we do all of that in our lab. So to be honest with you, None of this is possible without the investment of our management, which they provide for us all the state-of-the-art, very sophisticated machinery that allow us to do what we do. So after the completion of each testing, we provide certificate of analysis as part of record keeping.
A leader in its industry, Pentas Flora operates the only facility in Malaysia producing base oil and fuel oil that has been Green Label certified by the Singapore's Environmental Council. Their base oil is certified to Malaysia's My Hijau label as well. What this means is that Pentas Flora has its eyes not only set on a more sustainable Malaysia, but is also making strides in the field of waste management regionally.
Pentas Flora has been trying to set higher standards in automotive waste management. We are proud to associate with BMW, which started this journey a long time ago. Pentas Flora and BMW setting new standards for automotive waste management.
At BMW Group Malaysia, we measure success by having a shared vision, coming up with actionable plans, following through and exceeding our targets.
Today, we have successfully saved approximately 30,000 litres of used oil from our BMW dealership network from disposal, closing the loop to achieve circularity in a core part of our business. As the partnership grows, so will the amount of used oil we will recover from our dealer network in the year ahead. Yet, we are not done. We are continuously looking for more ways to implement sustainability and responsibility wherever we can throughout our entire value chain.
But this is merely the beginning, and we are optimistic that we can do so much more to create a future that is more sustainable and responsible, in line with the core principles of BMW Group Malaysia. For us at BMW Group Malaysia, it's all about purpose. It's what drives us forward to do what we do. Together, we can make the world a much better place to drive in.